some brunch. It's about 9:45 is our reservation, so it's like 9 something right now. What I love about this cruise line is none of the restaurants open until 9. So you can sleep in, you know, like if you want to, you can sleep in and still have breakfast.
Yeah. Also, if you are an early bird, you do have the option to order room service. I mean, I think there's a small charge for it. I gotta double check on that.
Room service, and you can go to the galley too, like their food court type thing, and they have stuff open there.
They have the 24-hour breakfast.
So yeah, they do. That's right. The American Diner has the 24-hour breakfast, and some of the places in there are open late. Some aren't. Razzle Dazzle is considered like a vegan restaurant, so the eggs are vegan. Everything's like Impossible Egg, but they do have a small portion of the menu that they call the naughty menu.
That's gonna be my menu.
Yeah, and it has like bacon on it, a chicken sandwich, a few different things.
Pretty much meat.
Yeah. So it'll be interesting to see like what vegan eggs taste like, because I've never really eaten vegan eggs, but I like vegetables, so
I like meat.
We'll be good to go. So you'll get a perspective of somebody who will eat vegetarian and somebody who likes meat.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's go. There's a banana muffin.
And an apple croissant muffin.
This is gluten-free. What do you got?
Some fairy toast.
Fairy toast. The muffin was like amazing.
It's good.
Is it good?
It's a piece of toast with sprinkles. It's good. It's not bad. It was talked up a lot. Like, I thought I was gonna get like this crazy. I'm like, oh my god. So I'm not gonna talk you up and be like, this is the best thing you're ever gonna eat. But it's good.
That is a mushroom frittata. Cheesy tots.
Cheesy tots. I ordered from the naughty menu and I got myself a chicken sandwich. And I also ordered some naughty bacon. I guess I'm a pretty naughty boy.
Okay, so breakfast is over. What did you rate it? What do you think?
It was pretty good. Yeah, I like the chicken sandwich. I will say one of the pieces of chicken that was in my sandwich was a little bit dry, but then I got to the other piece and it was a lot better. Good flavor too.
Yeah, the vegan egg was. I could see how it would be good to somebody who's a vegan, like a vegan egg. It had like a really good texture, but the taste just wasn't there for me, I feel like. And everything I could had mushrooms in it, and I just like wasn't in a mushroom mood.
Yeah.
You know, but I did have like the best banana muffin I've ever had, which was
It was really
great.
good. It was really moist.
Gluten-free, so it was like really good.
Yeah.
And the bacon and the cheesy tots were like my favorite.
Yeah, that was the best part for us.
So, highly recommend those 2 items.
Definitely.
Now we're gonna go to afternoon tea and then do some pool time.
All right, guys. A party in the elevator every time you go in.
We're here at the tea. So what happens is you could choose 2 different types of teas, one for you and one for another person. And then it's either $35 if you want it with Moet, or $19 a person if you want it with just tea. So we got just tea because we're not like gonna drink in like 1 p.m. We're good.
Drink here.
Yeah, gluten-free options, which is really nice. So we'll see what they bring out. We ordered oolong and katsuri tea. Okay. Nice little setup there too.
We're ready for our tea and snacks.
We're doing magic over here.
Who doesn't love magic?
Here's our teas.
I could smell them from over here. They smell really good. Fancy. Cheers. Cheers. I don't think they say cheers. Do they say cheers when they drink it? We have different we say it. How is it?
Good. That's the oolong.
Yummy.
And they give you like melted honey.
Yum.
Here's the gluten free. You got a scone, some sandwiches, and desserts. And then this is the non-gluten free one. You ready?
I'm ready.
I really can't see anything anyway.
I know, right? I think it's recording. Yeah, it is.
Drinks.
Time for some drinks. Relaxing on the pool deck after a nice little afternoon tea. Tea was good. The little snacks were good.
Yeah.
Now it's time for some relaxing time with this. My favorite view in the world, besides her.
You're corny. Shut it off. Hi guys. Okay, so we fell asleep outside on the deck, which was really nice. But then we stopped by, what is it called? The galley. And we got some sushi and some burger. And I forgot to videotape my sushi, but it was good. Like, was it the best sushi I've ever had? No. But it was good. And they also had a little bento box with, like, really salmon, and that was really cooked. Oh, there's his burger.
It actually looks good.
It does look good. That
Yeah.
onion smells strong. Oh, okay. So, yeah, we had sushi, and then he ordered a burger, and now we're just going to relax before we go to dinner because there's not really much going on right now. I will say, like, all the fitness classes sold out super quick. All the, like, guided meditations, everything on sea day sold out extremely quick. So you have to make sure once you get on the boat, you're making those reservations immediately. Our problem is that we got on the boat later than we thought because of parking. Because Miami parking is, like, ridiculous. But
Then the Wi-Fi wasn't working.
yeah,
correctly.
then it's been a whole thing. But we're gonna eat and then relax, and then it's dinner time tonight. We have the wake for our anniversary, so that should be fun. It's like a steakhouse, I think. I didn't really see much gluten-free stuff on the menu, so
I'm sure they're going to be accommodating.
we'll see how it goes. By the way, we got ice cream, the Lick Me Till Ice Cream place. Ooh, that ice cream was so good. It was so, like, creamy. It almost was gelato-like, but I don't think it's gelato. I think it's just ice cream. I'm not really sure. I don't know. So
It was really good. I got a scoop of butterscotch and chocolate. Very, very good.
it was good.
What did you get? Malibu coconut?
Malibu coconut. Which
Coconut
was,
Malibu,
like,
something like that.
super good. And it had,
It
like,
was really good.
toasted coconut on top of it.
Yeah.
Good. And they have, like, 3 different types of cones, like red velvet, vanilla, or midnight vanilla, which is almost looks like a chocolate cone. But
Yeah.
it probably doesn't taste like chocolate, so.
The red velvet cone was good. That's what I got.
Okay, it's time to relax, and then we'll be back.
We'll see you guys.
See you later.
Got a Parker house roll. Some butter. Really gotta get it out of there. Ooh, that smells fresh.
I separate them all now, so you can pick what you want. No, really. Yeah, I did. No, I'll get ready to pull that back.
It's over. It's alright though. Filet mignon. Some potatoes. Ham chops.
chops that you can't. And some asparagus over here.
Yum.
We'll see how it goes.
Time to dig in.
Hi guys.
So we just finished dinner at the wake.
We didn't finish dinner.
Yeah, okay, we didn't really finish.
We walked out.
Yeah, the meat was overcooked all around.
I ordered rare and it came out more like medium rare. He ordered medium.
And mine was pretty much well done.
And his was well done.
Yeah.
Just the quality of the meat wasn't what I would expect from a steakhouse.
Yeah.
He really liked the potatoes that he got.
The potatoes are real good. I really enjoyed them.
The salad was a bit much. Like there was a lot of stuff on top of it. It didn't really feel like a steakhouse salad, if that makes sense. I don't know. We just overall didn't enjoy it, and we thought that was going to be the best meal of our cruise. So
it was
disappointing.
Yeah, it is what it is. We learn, and we live and we learn.
I don't think we would go back there again for another meal.
Yeah.
That's how much we didn't like it. So.
Yeah.
If you're gonna claim steakhouse,
be a steakhouse.
Bring the steak.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry, I cut you off.
It's alright. So we came over to the galley now, and interesting enough, they actually have a really big ham over there with like mashed potatoes. And looking at it, I'm like, damn, that looks good. That was better than what we just finished eating. Came for dessert. I got a s'mores cup. What is yours? An acai cup?
Acai panna cotta.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that instead of finishing our dinner.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
This looks really gray and does not look appetizing at all. So if it tastes good, then.
That doesn't taste good, does it? Okay, well there you have that. Let's see here. The
sure
s'mores cup is good.
It's a s'mores cup. Oh Lord. Ugh.
This is good, at least.
There's a theme, like in like the quick service things. They really only have for gluten-free like pavlova and like this chocolate cake. But it's not really like chocolate cake. It's more like really
it's like
thick
a cherry
ganache stuff. So that's all I've really been able to have. And then they have this for the first time, and it's pretty awful. So
yeah.
I will say that the salads that they serve at the grab and go are so good. I've had two of them already, and like within 24 hours I ate 2 of them. It's like they're so fresh.
They're really fresh.
And they have really good dressing with them, so they're really good.
Yeah.
I think I might grab one of those because, yeah.
It's good. Pizza's good too. I think we said that
good.
already.
Yeah. It's just disappointing when you go to a fancy like steakhouse and it doesn't live up to your expectations. But tomorrow I think we have gun day, so that'll be
Gun day.
Chance. My worst nightmare.
Staring at the edge of the water as long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water. If you wanna believe that anything can stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. No. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. How's that ice cream there?
So good. There's brown buddy.
Brown buddy?
Brown butter.
Brown butter.
It's really good. Yummy. All their ice cream's really good.
Yeah.
Touching you, started touching me. Oh, thank you. Hi everyone, how you doing?